In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone stock in home critical alert. So if you got this warning, I'm going to show you what I did when I got this warning on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is one of the warning you get most often when there is a critical alert on your iPhone home screen and you need to attend to it. So if you enjoyed this video, find this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix your iPhone home screen fixed or stuck with maybe the critical alert or whatever alert it is, whether the home screen is responding or the touch screen is not responding, all you just need to do is this: make sure you're running on the latest OS. And since the home screen is not responding, then accessing the iPhone settings to update to the latest OS will be a problem. Then the first measure to take to fix this on your iPhone is first restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the start button. Do not let go the start button when the power up button comes up. Just keep holding it until the iPhone restarts itself and the Apple logo appears. So this is what you need to do. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the start button just like this. You see the slider to say slide to power off. Just keep holding the start button on your iPhone until the iPhone turns off itself. So once the iPhone turns off, keep holding still and wait until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone. And once you see the Apple logo on your iPhone, then you can let go of the iPhone. Then once the iPhone restarts itself completely, just swipe up, unlock your iPhone, and then the iPhone stock in home screen critical alert should be fixed. You can try this on all your iPhone, and once you are able to regain access to your iPhone home screen, the next thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings, then click on general, click on software updates, then want to check for any available update and make sure you stay on top of the current update on your iOS device. So this is how you can easily fix your iPhone when it's stuck in a home screen critical alert notifications. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.